Why are the streets so empty today? Yesterday it was blazing hot. I was dripping, figuratively, metaphorically, literally, in sweat. And look at today. Today we got, it's supposed to be the same exact weather, apparently. Never mind, it's city 6. It's city 6, not 66. No. You gotta throw a D in there, a double D. City 6. It's city 6 degrees. And that's another thug lesson for you guys. Remember, you don't have to be thug all the time, right? Nah, just be thug sometimes. I looked at him, he looked away, but he was looking at me. So what you doing, dog, with the beard? But now it's gonna go off, because it is, I legit take this helmet off, I look like a freaking hobo. A sexy one, but still a hobo. Not homeless, but a hobo. Difference, there's a difference. My Dragon Balls. Yeah, streets be empty. I don't know, yesterday it was blazing hot, man. And there was like so many people out, and I'm guessing everybody's body temperature was effing it up. Today, the weather is amazing where it's nice and cold, but we ain't got a soul out here. The streets are empty. The streets be empty. Old school Porsches. Nobody gonna buy that junk. Ferrari. Got anyone standing outside? Nope. G-Wagon looking nice. I like that red color, Amber Alert. We got an AMG GT. I don't know if it's an R or not. Aston Martin. Old school crap. We got a Ram. That logo is too huge and ugly. Looks like a belt buckle. F that. When I was younger, I had a belt buckle with a cowboy. You know the Longhorns. I'll put a picture up. I had that on another Aston Martin. Yeah, I'm guessing they made Aston Martins cheaper, or a bunch of British people went across the pond and they came here to live in Mexico to buy some Aston Martins while they drink their morning cup of tea. Because I've been seeing a lot more Aston and Martins. Is that somebody's name? Aston Martin? Aston Martin? Fancy a cup of tea, mate? Can you pass me the harpoon? Let's go visit the Queen. I'm just here to buy some odds and ends, some trinkets. Why somebody swap lanes? Why? Just why? Somebody's gonna swap lanes on me. No? Hey, wait! Okay. No. Then get the hell off this road. Tall dudes scraping the head of the roof of your car with your noggin. Pick up family. Come over here if you want to pick up families. If you into that orgy kind of thing. Orgy kind of thing? Oh my god, that hit me hard. Yeah, let's find a place to pull over, jiggle a bit, wiggle a bit, and find out what is digging into my tummy. Durango Doug. Man, who remembers that show, Doug? I missed that show, Doug. Ooh! Red leggings. That's a GT2 or GT3. But after that, we got red leggings going up the stairs, jiggling it, wiggling it. Would you choose a car or a girl? Or if you're a guy, or if you're a girl, or if you're a human being, would you choose a boy or a girl over a car? I choose a girl over a car all day, every day. Lambo, Huracan, Pagani, whatever. Aventador, anything. I don't give a damn. I'm choosing girls over cars. Basically, girls over everything. You know, in the rap, you know, that's why I could never become a rapper. Because it's money over everything. But like, for me, it's not like that. For me, it's girls over everything. Because my love for feminitas be raging super hard. I'm the ass catcher of women. You gotta catch them all, but not in a bad way. Not like catching them from in my basement. Not that, but like catch them meaning just explore them. You know, have them be a part of my life. Give them the chance to be a part of my life. Throw some memories of myself into their lives, but the hot ones, not the weird ones. So like, I guess I don't know if Ash Ketchum be catching them all, or he just be catching a finite number of them. I doubt he's catching them all. But I do whatever Ash Ketchum does to Pokemon, I do it to women. But in a consensual way, alright? Don't take it the wrong way. I'm not a creep! I thought this dude was sticking his head out of his car, but it was just a bicycle behind a car with the window down. Alright. Justo ragazza Lina. Baby Broly here needs her pre-workout because I didn't give it to her. But what up, dog on a dirt track, car, vehicle, supermoto? There you go, got it. Took a while, but I got there, man. They're growing weed. I see. We got duckies in the pond. I like that. Why is it so foggy though? Man, you know what? This is gonna F up the footage, ain't it? It's gonna F up the footage so bad. Now either this is fog, early morning fog, or this is pollution. Alright? I'm thinking it's pollution. What am I supposed to do? For who? For who? Tell me! I don't know. But I want to pull his little towel off and laugh. I want to look. I close my eyes before I pull it off. We got a homeless dude stealing garbage. Cool beans, cool beans. Anybody behind us? No. So why am I doing what I'm doing? Doing what I do like to do is nothing. I will edit that part out maybe. I don't know. Depends how I feel. Maybe I'll edit it out. Maybe I'll leave it in there. Who knows? I can't say. Because I'm British, man. What if I was British? Would you guys watch me if I was British? Huh? Huh, shorty? Would you watch me if I was British? Talking from the UK. Well, I ain't from the UK. That was amazing. But it's whatever. Because you loving it either way and you taking it either way. Up that mountain around. Pass. Like, not pass in a bad way, but pass like I would love to gift you the pleasures. Buzz driving is drunk. Okay, I thought they were talking about bees. But no. That was super disappointing. Popping up on a Tuesday. No, I'm not hating on UK rap, but like, it is hard to understand, man. He nodded to me, I nodded to him, but it is hard to understand UK rap. Like, how the hell am I supposed to know what the hell you saying, man? Don't even get me started on that. Don't worry, we're gonna blaze it. We're gonna start cutting in a bit. I'm just waiting for someone to pop up. I'm waiting for myself to warm up. And waiting on all sorts of things. Groupie gang. Up on a Tuesday. The lane pops up. This lane pops up, makes it 2. So, is you done yet? I always got me blowing smoke. And my noggin. Okay, you know what? F you, Broly. You want to act like a little slut? Okay, then, go for it. My only thing is, you know, consistency. You know what? Consistency. Come on, Ferrari, let's F. Up on a Tuesday. But yeah, all I'm saying is consistency. Sometimes I pull it in and it goes into neutral, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm just saying, be consistent. Don't F with me like that. Oh, she's all lonely. I'll spend time with, I'll eat lunch with you. That was sad to look at. I'm sure she's happy doing her thing. I'm sure she's happy doing her thing. But I'd eat lunch with her. She looks sad though, right? She looks sad. She did look sad. But it is a nice cold day today, so we don't have to worry about Broly heating up. We'll talk about that later though. Maybe. I don't know. I always come out with topics to talk about while I ride, and I never go and I never do it. So like, our goal is to not be like that and actually talk about and make actual motor vlogs instead of riding around talking about any and everything in the world besides what I was supposed to be talking about. Not that it's a bad thing. And not that I'm gonna ever stop doing what I do. But I should do it a little bit better sometimes, or maybe I should change up what I'm doing just for a little bit, just for you guys. Sir, questions. See, this place usually be loaded with bikini girls. Where they at though? Huh? Where they at? I don't see no bikini girls anywhere. What up on a Tuesday? What up, shorties? Rapeville, straight up Rapeville. Let's find a spot to pop our booties. Oh! Lion! Look at that lion. You see that? That's cool. Dude outside of his house. That's pretty cool. All these houses be $1 million houses, by the way, if you guys were wondering. I has a couple of friends who live here. I just don't know where they are at. Because whenever I'm riding, I lose my bearings whenever I'm riding for some reason. But I think she lives somewhere here. So we might drop by and say hi. I could have parked right there, but I is an idiot. So what we're going to do is we're going to popping up on a Tuesday. I'm not paying no money for parking, just if I want to jiggle my body a little bit. Oh, we got, what is it, AMG C63? I really want to mark these correctly. Oh man, you douchebag took my spot! We got a rider in Jigsaw! I was gonna take that spot. I should have stopped somewhere and jiggle my body and find out what's hurting me. these places be super expensive. Ooh, Ferrari. These places be super expensive. I gotta grab a thumbnail, right? Adios. Or maybe we're not gonna be stopping. We're gonna let that pain rattle my body a little bit longer, and then I wanted to pop into a secluded area, but it don't look like that's gonna be happening. And plus I wanted to pull into an area where I could leave from real quick, like that. But I keep seeing these, oh like that! Oh my god! Handicap parking only, man. My legs are sore as hell. Does that count as a handicap? Yeah, we'll park somewhere here. I just don't want to park in a public place where there's like hobos running around, because they always come up and talk to you and it makes me really weird. No parking at any time. Damn it. Calm down, homie! I see you trying to swap lanes. You gotta be careful. These people don't look trusted. I wish I could wear like not short shorts, but like men's short shorts, like what you see lifters wear when they're doing legs. I wish I could wear something like that while I ride, because I could have some sweet wind popping into my body cheeks, my body skin. Where should we go? And if you guys didn't know, a lot of races occur here. You just gotta come here at night and you'll see some crazy stuff. I can't tell if that next side is green or not. Is it green? Yeah. I hate lights like this. Blowing up like I do. I was gonna go to the school, but this works too. The Civic Center. No public parking. Permit always required. Public parking. Damn it! I gotta pay attention a little bit more. Funny thing is, I've been to the Civic Center a lot of times because they have those homeless, what do you call it, homeless people food banks here. I volunteer for those because I'm a good kid, so I come here a lot. Except weekends and holidays, anybody can park here. So, I'm just going to let it leak right here. And I didn't even realize that I need gas.